12 Science 3, and today we are about to make chicken pokpok salted egg.
There are a few ingredients to make this chicken pokpok salted egg, so you gotta listen carefully.
There are three main ingredients for this chicken pokpok salted egg. First off is butter, 4 salted egg, 1 regular egg, and a few garlic. And last, certainly but not least, the actual chicken breasts.
First of all, we may wash our hand with hand soap before we start to cook. Put the chicken breast to the bowl. Then open the marinade sauce and pour it to the chicken. Then mix it together until all of the chicken and the marinade sauce were combined. Then put into the refrigerator for 2 hours. For the coat, crack an egg, then shake it well. After this, prepare the chicken breast, egg, and the flour. Then dip the chicken to the egg. Then rub with flour while kneading until it's even. Then, for the more tasteful and crisp, repeat the step from the egg to the flour again. Repeat the step to the other chicken until all of the chicken have been coated. Heat the cooking oil on the pan. Don't forget to turn off the stove. After that, put the chicken into the heated oil. Then fry it. Fry the chicken until it cooked and the color turns into light brown. If it's done, turn off the stove. Then, put the chicken that already cooked into the drain so that the chicken won't be too oily. For the sauce, cut the salted egg into half pieces. Then take the spoon and separate the salted egg yolks from the egg white to the separate bowls. Then prepare 100 cc of milk and the egg yolks. Then pour the milk wisely to the egg yolks. Then mash the egg yolks with the milk until it all combines. Then chop the egg whites. Then put the butter into the pan and spread it to all over the pan so it won't stick. Add the garlic that has been mashed. Then add the spring onion that has been cut. Then put the mix of milk and egg yolks, also the white of salted egg that has been mashed. Stir it for a while until it smells so good and tasty. If you are done making the sauce, turn off the stove. Pour it carefully but sure on the fried chicken. Finally, the chicken pokpok salted egg is done.
We did it!
This is the chicken pokpok salted egg. Now you can do it yourself at home. See you guys next time.
Taste it!